We're on a 920 million mile journey across our solar system. Our destination, the glimmering ringed gas giant Saturn. Saturn is like its own mini solar system, with 146 moons circling the planet. As we embark on our imaginary journey to Saturn, we can't help but wonder what sights await us as we draw near to this magnificent gas giant. What secrets will it reveal as we slip into its orbit? Our approach to Saturn promises a celestial spectacle unlike any other in our cosmic neighborhood. As you draw closer, the tranquility fades, replaced by awe, mystery, and the realization that this planet is both beautiful and alien. It's a sight that defies your imagination. The first thing to capture your attention are Saturn's magnificent rings. They're not merely stripes that circle the planet, they are immense glittering arcs that stretch for hundreds of thousands of miles. Composed of billions of ice particles ranging in size from dust grains to massive boulders, the rings shimmer and glint in the sunlight. From a distance, they seem impossibly smooth, like the grooves of a celestial record. But closer inspection reveals chaos, countless particles in constant motion, colliding, merging, and splitting apart. This symphony of motion is governed by Saturn's gravity, a cosmic dance as ancient as the planet itself. The planet's size becomes overwhelming as you draw near. Saturn is a gas giant, a world so vast that it could fit more than 760 Earths inside it. Its golden hue is a result of ammonia crystals and other chemicals in its upper atmosphere, giving it a richer, more textured appearance. Bands of clouds streak across its surface, moving at incredible speeds. Winds on Saturn can reach up to 1,000 miles per hour, far faster than any on Earth. The storms are monumental and last for years, stretching across vast distances, some even larger than our entire planet. At its poles, Saturn reveals its most haunting feature, vast hexagonal storms that defy explanation. The mystery of their geometric precision reminds us of how little we understand about this awesome planet. Crossing the threshold of Saturn's rings is an experience unlike any other. As you pass through, you find yourself surrounded by icy debris, each fragment reflecting the distant sunlight like scattered diamonds. The rings are divided into distinct regions, separated by gaps like the famous Cassini division carved by the gravitational pull of Saturn's moons. Despite their immense breadth, the rings are astonishingly thin, averaging just 10 meters thick in most places. Their fragile beauty is a stark contrast to the massive planet they encircle. As we watch the Cassini probe gracefully fly by the rings, entering orbit around Saturn brings a shift in perspective. From this vantage point, the rings form a luminous halo, casting shadows on the planet's surface. The scale of the rings becomes almost incomprehensible. They are so large that if Saturn were the size of a basketball, the rings would stretch across an entire 20-foot room. The planet itself looms below, a swirling sea of clouds that seems to stretch forever. Saturn has even more beauty to discover. Saturn's magnetic field generates auroras at its poles, ghostly lights that ripple and dance in shades of green and purple, a spectacle that rivals anything seen on Earth. Saturn's moons come into view, each one a world unto itself. Titan, the largest, is shrouded in an orange haze, its thick atmosphere hiding lakes of liquid methane and ethane. It is a place where the chemistry of life tantalizingly mirrors Earth's, albeit in a form alien to us. Enceladus, a smaller moon, gleams like a pearl against the blackness of space. Geysers erupt from its surface, spewing water vapor and ice into space, a clue that a hidden ocean lies beneath its icy crust, perhaps harboring life. These moons, more than Saturn itself, may hold the answers to some of humanity's greatest questions. Its magnetic field is the second strongest in the solar system after Jupiter's. It traps particles of radiation that form a deadly halo around the planet. Yet even this harsh environment holds beauty. Charged particles interact with Saturn's atmosphere, creating flickering auroras and strange radio emissions that sound like eerie, otherworldly music. The planet seems alive, its vastness humming with an energy that feels almost sentient. Looking down at Saturn from orbit, you realize it is a planet of contradictions. It is a place of immense power and fragility, of storms that could swallow Earth and rings so delicate they barely cast a shadow. It is both familiar and alien, a world that reminds us of how awe-inspiring the cosmos can be. Saturn is not just a planet, it is a monument to the complexity and wonder of the universe. And we still have so much more to learn about this magnificent planet. If you enjoyed our exploration into Saturn, you'll love the dozens of other videos on your screen and on our channel page, and I invite you back for our next episode